Dreamina Unlimited Credit. How to get unlimited credit. Want unlimited AI video credits on Dreamina? Here's how to unlock it step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and head over to dreamina.ai and then create an account or log in if you already have one. Now head to the pricing section. So in here, go ahead and select the unlimited credit plan. Enter your payment details and confirm, and your account will now show unlimited credits. Use Dreamina's video generator, mood boards, and creative tools without worrying about limits. And that's it. Sign up, subscribe, and start creating endlessly with Dreamina Unlimited Credit.